It's a rainy day here in Davao. Some of the crazy things that you will see. Arian with the water hose. That's Michelle enjoying the business end of the hose. And Cha is sitting in the chair orchestrating. And the only smart one, other than myself, staying out of the rain is her sister. Michelle's sister. Hi, Arian. What can you say to the world?
Hello, world. Hello, Philippines.
Hello, Philippines. How about U.S.?
Hello, USA.
And Canada? Hey, and Canada?
Hello, Canada. How are you? My family is there. How are you there?
And United Kingdom?
Hi, UK. Oh, that's enough.
Michelle, what are you doing?
I'm watering the plants.
I'm watering the plants. She's watering the plants on a rainy day. Okay, alrighty then. Cha, what are you doing? Supervising? Yeah. Why don't you turn and say hi to everybody? Say hi. If Cha doesn't make it into work on Thursday, you'll know why. She's got the fever. She got the fever. Come on, Arian, sing "She Got the Fever."
She got a fever.
That's all you know?
Yeah, that's all I know.
Oh my God! Arian, make up the words. Come on, make up a song. She got the fever. Make up the song and do a little rain dance. But just do it anyway.
Uncle James,
What?
you want to?
Do I want to what?
You want to walk?
Walk where?
I'm gonna walk there.
You're gonna walk there in the rain?
Yeah.
You're already wet. I'm not.
Hi.
Hi, hon. What can you say? What's Is that what is that? Chinese?
No, she's half German, half British, half alien.
That didn't sound like
What? It's really good.
that didn't sound like alien. It did sound like German and British though.
It sounds alien.
Where did Michelle go? Don't knock me down. Don't knock me down.
Go inside, you'll get fever. Yeah.
I'm not getting fever. I'm not standing in the rain.
Of course you are now.
Michelle! Michelle, come out here. Mitch, come out here. Your fan club is waiting. Oh, now Michelle. Oh, she got cold.
No, she's doing something.
Oh, she's doing something.
Yeah, something that your video is gonna hit 1M.
Oh, ooh, maybe
So you go there and you take video with her.
No, then I will not be able to air it. I have to have nice video.
She's doing SPG there.
What's that?
SPG. Super strong parental guidance.
Parental guidance. What are you doing?
We're thinking.
Huh?
I'm Mr. Rain.
You're waiting for the big rain to come again?
Yeah. The storm.
The storm. The torrential downpour. Come on, Arian, get up. Do a little rain dance. Show your energy. Come on, show the world.
Mana, masaya ka? Atake! Ako kasi what's
Are you speaking Koreanese? Koreanese or Japanese or Chinese? Or is that a different dialect of Americanese?
You made that up.
Oh, you made that up?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's our own language.
Michelle!
Yeah!
What are you doing behind the bush? What you doing in the bush?
I'm counting the grass.
You're counting the grass? Oh yeah, it's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah, we know it.
Yeah, we know it.
Coming out of rain.
It's all right.
Rain now. Yeah.
What happened to the rain?
Stop. It's gone.
Why? Are you sad now?
Yeah. We're very sad.
Real sad?
All along the Manang, diri ka na. Picturein mo, Manang.
A little story, a little back history here. Arian was the first person that I met, right? Right?
Yeah.
That Chai introduced me to. And what did you do? What did you do to me when you met me?
Yeah, we go to Greenwich and eat pizza.
Yeah, and then what did you do at Greenwich and you eating pizza?
I'm just staring at you because I'm fancy with your nails.
My nails? Were you like interrogating me?
Yeah.
Yeah? You kind of say that like, yeah, of course. Why were you interrogating me?
Because you have a long nose like Pinocchio.
I have a long nose like Pinocchio. Thanks, Michelle, for that.
So smart for answering that question.
And speaking
And
and speaking of Michelle, you're the one who went. Hey, come here. You're the one that went with us to Surigao del Sur, right? Tagbina. And what did you? Why did you go there?
because I love Surigao del Sur, and that's all. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you. Now she went there to serve as like a interpreter. Even though Cha speaks English, Michelle was a neutral party. And that's Michelle's sister holding the camera. And she's the only one with brains in the family because she stayed out of the rain. And Cha, I have a question.
What?
Why did you marry me?
Because you have I don't have choice. In a big
Well, I have a big, a big heart. Okay, I have a big heart. What else?
Nothing more.
Huh? Nothing more? Okay, thank you for that. This is some of the fun that these girls just make happen. They're absolutely wonderful. Just love them. And they're just a small part of GJ Micrane. There's a total of 10 of them. They're all basically former college, buddies of Cha. They call themselves GJ Micrane. It's an acronym. The first letter in each of their first names. Pretty creative.